Hello everyone. Today we are going to see another part of the chapter. As you know that at present chapter number 2 is going on in physics, and name of the chapter is electrostatic potential and its capacitance. Okay, means electrostatic potential, whatever part we had, that has been over. Now we are moving towards another part of the chapter, which is capacitance. So over here we are going to see a basic component of electronic device, and name of that electronic component is capacitor. At present, first of all we will see basic things, how capacitor formed, and what is the symbols, and what is called its unit, etc. Then we will go ahead for theories. So let's see. This is a conducting sphere. A conducting sphere at present, basically you can see it's a wooden block. Okay, a wooden block which is mount over here. Now let's see, if I am going to deposit over here number of charges, then what happen? If I am going to deposit number of charges over here one by one, in that case you can observe that electric field produced around this conducting sphere. Okay, but the question is, what will be the capacity of the sphere? Okay, in that case we know that here we can deposit number of charges like this up to its capacity. It's like a bucket of water. You can fill up water up to certain limit. It means when bucket is full, in that afterwards there is no possibility to accumulate water in that bucket. Similar thing happen here also. Here in conducting sphere, when 100 percentage deposition is possible, on that time here we can say that electric field is maximum. Okay, so on that time what happened, surround this thing, air ionized. In that case uh, maybe that this number of charges can be leaked, and that leakage process is known as ionization process. While it is leak, in that case there is a space occur to deposit more number of charges, and hence you can deposit more number of charges. Till then it is not possible. So this thing is known as ionization process, means leaking of number of charges, that I am writing here. You please go through it and write properly. Okay, this process is known as dielectric breakdown. Remember the effect over here, whatever we have of leaking, it is known as dielectric breakdown. For air, it is value of dielectric breakdown is 300 volt per millimeter. Now see, at present let us consider, suppose only q amount of charge is deposit. On that case, potential on the sphere, since we have a single sphere, so electric potential for single sphere we have v equal to kq upon r. Therefore q upon v equal to, we have r upon k equal to, just put the value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught for k, so we will get the answer 4 pi epsilon naught into r, which is constant. Okay, so the ratio of charge on the sphere and the electric potential on the sphere remains constant. This ratio is known as capacitance of the capacitor. Capacitance means capacity to store number of charges. Remember, capacitance means to store number of charges on the sphere. Now this type of another plate, while we are putting near to first sphere, means while we are putting over here, so due to natural phenomena another one is negatively charged. Okay, this sphere is commonly known as plates. Remember, this sphere is also commonly known as plates, and while this type of device is formed, on that time the device is known as capacitor, because this is simply storing the charges. Okay, so capacitance is a capacity of sphere to store charge. Okay, and the unit of capacitance is coulomb. per volt, or this thing is found by Faraday, that's farad, that's why its unit is farad. Okay. Now definition of capacitor we have like this: a device formed by two conductors insulated from each other is called a capacitor. Okay, this is a symbol of capacitor, a simple symbol we have. Remember, this is two plates, both plates are parallel to each other, and sir, between this plate here we have some small gap. Okay, over here it's a completely air, or we can put a vacuum. Okay, remember, so this is important symbol, and basically everywhere we are going to use in future, so do not forget this symbol. Right now, as I told you, unit of capacitance is farad, but remember farad is very big unit, so we are basically used microfarad, nanofarad and picofarad. 1 microfarad equal to we have 10 raised to minus 6 farad, 1 nanofarad equal to we have 10 raised to minus 9 farad, and 1 picofarad equal to we have 10 raised to minus 12 farad. So these are the some relations for farad, so use it for numerical purposes. So this is very important device known as capacitor. In future, in next later video, I will show you the some types of capacitors. Okay, till then, bye bye. And remember, this theory is basic theory for knowledge purpose, so use it, write it properly, and reply me as soon as possible. If you have any query, you can call me anytime. This is simple introduction, remember, so just go through it, and whatever, if you have any questions, ask me properly. Thank you very much. That's all for today.